Namaskar, I am Prakash Astrologer presenting you for this coming month of June's monthly forecast, prediction of the month for each and every sign. What this month is going to hold for you for this coming month of June 2014, recommendations, precautions, solutions, task of the month and chant of the month. Now we're talking about Gemini. Gemini, due to transit of Mercury, Buddha and Jupiter, Guru, you receive financial gain. Transit means they're at the moment traveling in your own sign. Gemini, Mercury and Jupiter together. Due to that, you'll achieve financial gain, many professional opportunities. There'll be a rise in your status, prestige, honor. Gemini, your authority will be enhanced. Social standing will be improved. Despite obstacles, delays, you'll get very fine opportunity to raise your financial status, wealth, assets, authority, power. You'll also play in a grip. You will also plan a trip for going abroad. You'll also get the support of someone which will be quite instrumental in helping you to complete a complex project. Gemini, whatever you do, please do make sure do not initiate or involve yourself in any kind of a living conflict. If you're a student, then be focused on your studies. Build up your drive, motivation. This is not the right time for any kind of distractions. Health-wise, Gemini, please take care of yourself from any kind of sharp pain in your lower abdomen, chest pain, or issue with your digestive system. If you are facing any legal issue, or any complication linked with tax, VAT, then please seek a proper advice from a consultant. Do take care of your parents' health and well-being, especially your dad. Gemini, task of the week for you for the month of June. Offer people beer, as many you can manage. Offer your friends beer, as many you can manage, please. Do donate wholemeal atta, whole moong dal to temple. Do donate money, sweets to widow ladies. Precaution of the week for Gemini. Refrain from buying any electronic equipment. Refrain from buying any steel equipment from anybody. Refrain from rewiring the house. Chant of the month. Ang, Om, Harim, Karim, Hum, Fat. 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 Do wear saffron tilak on your forehead time to time. Gemini, the time is very important, but official task can take time. Official task completion can be delayed. You have to be very careful how you address the issue. Make sure you should not initiate any kind of a family row or family conflict, nothing like that. And if you're dealing with any legal matter, to handle the matter with a lot of care and consideration. You got to handle the situation in a technical, correct way. Thanks for watching my monthly horoscopes. If you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe for more daily contents, including weekly and yearly horoscopes and other miscellaneous astrological contents. If you have enjoyed the video, then please do give it a like. And also, if you have any comments or suggestions regarding forecast, please do leave me a comments below. If you have any questions about yourself, why don't you send me an email, prakash@prakashastrologer.com. I'll be more than happy to respond. Take care and be a subscriber. I'll be back same time next time. Take care of yourself. Good luck.